Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening YouTube and signing into the Google account that holds your search history. Once signed in, tap or click the search bar to surface recent search suggestions immediately. This shows the most recent queries saved locally or to your account. Make sure your search and watch history is enabled in settings so YouTube records terms. If history is off, enable it now. Otherwise, YouTube won't show past searches. This first step gets you access to the actual list you need. Once done with basic access, navigate to Library, then History, and choose Search History to see the full record of your queries. You can scroll through chronological items or use the search field within My Activity to filter by keyword. This helps when you remember part of a title. Make sure to switch to the device or account you used for those searches, because desktop and mobile can differ. Also review activity controls to confirm which devices and apps contributed entries. To finish, remove any unwanted searches by tapping the X next to individual items or choose Clear All to wipe the list for that account. If you prefer not to save future queries, switch to incognito mode or pause search and watch history in settings. This prevents new entries. If a recent search is missing, make sure you're viewing the correct Google account and that history syncing is enabled across devices. Troubleshooting tip: if entries still don't appear, sign out and sign back in to force sync and refresh the.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.